My name's Rudy Salas. I'm the Assemblymember for 32nd Assembly District. Thank you all for being here today. The work that you do, the foundational work of setting a vision and demonstrating a proven ability to deliver results, makes my job and the job of each of your representatives very easy. For example, a simple text message I sent to President Christian 2 years ago inquiring about a list of projects that needed funding. And in true President Christian fashion, right, she not only replied to my text message, but within 24 hours, she gave me an entire detailed plan about how to spend some money. So she said, hey, if you got money for us, I got exactly the place for it to go and how we can help these kids, right? And that's what today's about. It's about finding those ways we can partner together to make a difference for our community and to make a difference for our students and the future of California. And so I joined the conversation with our guests today through this lens. How do we come together as collective individuals to create opportunities for people in California to have better lives? Right? The goal is clear. We need high quality, accessible education and skills development designed to meet our workforce needs. We need to meet California's growing unmet, 1.1 million baccalaureate degrees and skills to move California to propel it into the next century. With that, let me go ahead and say we have a responsibility to break through the bureaucracy and to leverage policy to advance our shared vision on behalf of our students and our communities.